Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. What connects Decentraland and Muon Wallet? The Casa Voltaire mystery. Between 2014 and 2016, Casa Voltaire in Buenos Aires hosted the teams that built three important organizations for cryptocurrencies and WEB3. The Decentraland metaverse, smart contract auditing firm Decentraland, and the Muon Wallet all started their. In the article Casa Voltaire. The unknown history of the Palermo bunker, where millionaire companies were born. La Nation guides us through the few things people know about the mysterious house. A hacker house with a startup incubator feel. Casa Voltaire's guests experimented with smart contracts in Bitcore, the DAOs of the time. They also created some of the first NFTs before that acronym appeared in public consciousness. And that was in their downtime. During office hours, Casa Voltaire spawned three successful companies. What does the article say about the companies Casa Voltaire hosted? The story starts in 2014 with Manuel Arias, a recent computer science graduate from IT. He was one of BitPay's first employees, and had to find a physical space for the Buenos Aires operation. The place he chose to rent was Casa Voltaire. At the time, cryptocurrencies were not a popular subject. So, the only people that talked about it naturally banded together. Or so says the legend. What does the article say about the companies Casa Voltaire hosted, though? Briner and Arias launched Decentraland, a smart contract security and auditing firm. Among their clients are Ethereum Foundation, Coinbase, Compet, and Brave. Darius Nedermanis and other members of the Casa Voltaire years later founded Muon, a crypto wallet famous for its simple design and ease of use. It's actually a Bitcoin-only wallet, but let's not blame La Nation or the author for the mistake. Esteban Ordano, one of the founders of Decentraland, the most successful company, in terms of listing, to emerge from Casa Voltaire. But just how successful? Well, when Zuckerberg changed the name to Meta, Decentraland's value went from $1.6 billion to $7 billion, the same price as the New York Times. At the market's peak, the company was worth $12 billion. With its own tokens totaling around $6 billion. Naturally, a lack of new users will lead to a lack of sales, and consequently, the total sales volume will also go down. Regardless, both land sales and volumes dropped to $916 and $10 million, respectively, last month. The rise again fall again strategy adopted by the market is responsible for such diminishing growth. This pattern has also kept MANA consolidated between $2.41 and $3.51, with the former serving as strong support. Despite fall-throughs and breach attempts, the resistance and support levels have remained firm and unchanged for 3 months now. The next news: Decentraland price today. Will this support confluence prevent MANA from further meltdown? Decentraland, MANA, price has been resonating inside a symmetrical triangle for the past several weeks. The weekly chart shows 4 consecutive red candles, which plunged the altcoin to the support trendline of the triangle pattern. A bullish reversal from the $2.4 support would continue the range-bound rally in MANA. The correction phase initiated during February's second week tumbled the MANA-USDT pair by 32% and slumped it to $2.4. Last week the buyers tried to bounce back from this SUPPORT $2.4 and drove the altcoin to immediate resistance of $2.8. However, the sellers maintained a strong defense at this level and reverted the coin price to swing low support. The technical chart shows a symmetrical triangle pattern in play, with the MANA price currently located at the bottom support trendline. The MANA price moving above the 200-day MA maintains a bullish tendency. However, a bearish crossover of the 20 and 50-day MA bolsters the sellers to extend the correction rally. The stochastic RSI indicator shows a steady bear cycle with the K and D lines diving into the oversold region. Furthermore, the oversold indicator value could help buyers surge the coin to higher levels. The MANA chart shows a daily doji candle at the shared support of $2. 4 and 200-day MA, suggesting indecision in the market. A bullish reversal from this level would indicate the traders are buying at this dip and would rally to the overhead resistance. Alternately, if the sellers plunge the altcoin below the $2.4 support, the renewed selling pressure would sink the price by 16.5%, hitting the $2 psychological level. Resistance level, $2.83, $3.48 support level, $2.4, $2. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.